Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Yusril. So this is my speaking for general communication assignment, that is daily routine. So right now I'm delivering dim sum for customer with my auntie. So we are almost arrived at the customer house, so stay tuned. So we are arrived at the customer place, but it's not the house, it's the market, Alpha Market. Wait.